Imagine this. The target leaves the trap. You mount the gun. Everything feels perfect. You pull the trigger, and somehow, the clay flies away untouched. Again and again. Most shooters blame the shotgun. Some blame the choke. Others blame the ammunition. But what if I told you the real reason you're missing has nothing to do with your equipment? What if the mistake happens before you even pull the trigger? Today, we're exposing the 5 invisible mistakes that silently destroy more clay targets than anything else. Fix these, and your shooting could improve faster than it has in years. Let's get started. Section 1. Your eyes are aiming at the wrong thing. Here's the first mistake, and it's probably the biggest one. Most shooters think they're watching the target, but they're not. Without realizing it, their eyes drift toward the barrel. They check the bead. They try to line everything up. It feels accurate. It feels controlled. But it's exactly why they're missing. A shotgun isn't designed like a rifle. You don't aim a shotgun. You point it. There's a huge difference. When your eyes leave the target, your brain instantly loses critical information. Speed, direction, distance, movement. The moment that happens, your swing becomes artificial. Instead of reacting naturally, you're trying to calculate. And calculations are always slower than instinct. Watch elite clay shooters carefully. You'll notice something interesting. Their eyes never chase the barrel. They're completely locked onto the target. Why? Because the human brain is incredibly good at predicting movement. As long as your eyes give it the right information, your hands naturally follow your vision. That's how you've caught a ball your entire life. That's how athletes react without thinking. Clay shooting works exactly the same way. The target controls the gun, not the barrel. Here's a simple challenge. On your next round, forget the bead completely. Pretend it doesn't exist. Lock your eyes on the front edge of the clay and never look away. You'll immediately notice smoother movement, better timing, and far more confidence. Because your eyes aren't just helping the shot, they're leading it. Section 2. Stop waiting for the perfect shot. Now let's talk about another mistake, one that's invisible, but incredibly expensive. Most shooters hesitate. The target appears, the gun moves, but then their brain asks one dangerous question. Is this the right moment? That tiny question creates hesitation. Only a fraction of a second, but that's all it takes. A clay traveling over 45 miles per hour doesn't wait. While you're deciding, the target keeps moving. By the time you finally pull the trigger, you've already lost the shot. Great shooters don't search for perfect timing. They create continuous movement. The swing begins. The body stays relaxed. The eyes stay connected. And the trigger becomes a natural finish, not a separate decision. Think about throwing a baseball. You don't stop halfway. Think, then continue. Everything happens in one smooth motion. Clay shooting should feel exactly the same. When movement stops, confidence disappears. When movement flows, accuracy follows. That's why elite shooters look effortless. They're not rushing, they're simply refusing to hesitate. Remember this, the perfect moment rarely exists. Smooth commitment beats perfect timing every single time. Section 3. Your gun mount is deciding the shot before the target appears. Here's something most shooters never realize. The shot doesn't begin when you call, "Pull!" It begins long before that. In fact, many missed targets are already guaranteed before the clay even leaves the trap. Why? Because of one thing: your gun mount. Most shooters practice breaking targets. Very few practice mounting the gun, and that's a mistake. If the shotgun doesn't come to exactly the same place on your shoulder and cheek every single time, your point of impact changes. Not by inches, by feet. Imagine trying to throw darts while standing in a different position every throw. Would you expect consistency? Of course not. Yet many shooters unknowingly do exactly that. One mount is high, the next is low. One is tight against the cheek, the next has a gap. Now your eyes are looking from a different angle. Your barrel points somewhere new, and suddenly you're wondering why the target escaped. The solution is surprisingly simple. Practice your gun mount every day. No ammunition, no range, no expensive equipment, just 20 perfect mounts in front of a mirror. Focus on making every movement identical. The same shoulder position, the same cheek pressure, the same eye alignment, over and over again. Champions don't build consistency during competition, they build it at home. A repeatable mount creates repeatable shots, and repeatable shots create confidence. Section 4. Stop calculating the lead. Now let's talk about one of the biggest myths in clay shooting. Ask 10 shooters how much lead you need, you'll probably get 10 different answers. One says 2 feet, another says 3 feet. Someone else says, it depends. The truth is, they're all missing the point. Great shooters don't measure lead, they see movement. When you start calculating distance between the barrel and the target, you've already become too slow. The clay never stops moving, neither should your brain. Your subconscious can calculate speed and direction far faster than your conscious mind ever could, but only if you allow it. Here's the secret. Lock your eyes on the target, match its speed with your swing, move smoothly through it, and fire without hesitation. Your brain naturally creates the correct lead. That's why experienced shooters often say, "I wasn't thinking." Exactly, because they didn't need to think. They trusted thousands of repetitions. Trust your eyes, trust your swing, and let your subconscious solve the problem. Section 5. Never stop the gun. Now we come to the final mistake, and it's one nearly every shooter has made. The instant they pull the trigger, they stop the gun. It feels natural. The shot is gone. The job is finished. Right? Wrong. The moment your gun stops, the barrel drops behind the target. Even if everything else was perfect, stopping the swing ruins the shot. Think about a golfer. Does the club stop when it touches the ball? No. The swing continues. A baseball player follows through. A tennis player follows through. Every great athlete understands one principle. Momentum creates accuracy. Clay shooting is no different. The trigger isn't the end of the movement. It's simply one moment inside it. Keep the gun moving after the shot. Stay connected to the target. Finish every swing. Soon it becomes automatic, and automatic movement wins competitions. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more clay shooting tips, shotgun techniques, and professional coaching lessons. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 5 mistakes do you struggle with the most? Leave your answer in the comments below. And remember, the best shooters aren't born, they're built, one perfect shot at a time.